Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you want to personalize and mark info. Here select edit, choose profile picture, and now you can either select some photo from gallery, you can use AR emoji, you can grab a picture right now by tapping on camera. Let me pick one from emojis here, then tap on save, and that's it. So from now on, this photo, this graphic is assigned to your contact. Let's go back, and if you open it, you can also go back. You can also see it in the contact list. Obviously, when you open this contact, it's displayed here, and anytime Dean will be calling me, I will be able to see it on my screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.